Okay, in this video we are going to talk about measures of central tendencies, also known as measures of center. So we're going to review basically three measures. One is the mean, or also known as the average, the mode, and the median. And we're just trying to review how to calculate those measures. We're not reviewing when you use each one of them. That would be a different video. So basically, the assumption here is you start with the data set. And I'm, for this map, I'm making it up to, I don't remember if it's 10, 11, or 12, something along those lines, but it could be bigger. But the whole purpose of this is to illustrate how you do it. Once you have your samples, your data, you need to figure out the number of observations. I'm going to write this on here. Only with this, you can calculate the mean. And the mean will be just adding all the numbers here and then divided by n. For the mode and the median, is easier if you do the second step, which is order the data from lowest to highest. So we're just basically going to take the data here and start from the smallest number all the way to the highest number. Now from here we can find the mode, which is basically, and it could be one mode or multiple modes. And just we're going to look into this ordered data and figure out if there's any number that repeats itself many, many times. So theoretically you can have two. You can have one number that repeats 3 times, and then another different number repeats 3 times. Everything else is once. So in that case you will have 2 modes. And finally the median, that's the only one that could be a little bit complicated. But once we have the ordered array of data, you have to look in the middle. Now you have 2 cases. If it's an even number, then you take the 2 numbers in the middle and then find the average of those 2, and that's a median. And if you have an odd number, you basically take the number in the middle. Okay, let's look at a couple of examples. So here we have a data set. 2, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 4, 8. And to find n, we add all you have to see how the number of observations. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 numbers. Now with all that, you can calculate the mean. So basically, as you add it, 2 plus 4, 6, 11, 19, 23, 28, 32, 40. Hope I did this okay. 40 divided by 8, and that gives you the mean is equal to 5. Now for the mode and the median, it's easier if you order the data first. So in this case, we're going to take the number. So the smallest number is 2. Okay, then there's not 3. Then we have 4, and we have 3 4s. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. And then 5, we have 2 5. And then after that, 2 8s. So based on this data set, the number that appears the most frequent is number 4. So the mode is 4. Now to find the median, since we have the ordered data here, we look for the numbers in the middle. So if it's 8, it's about the number 4 and number 5. So it will be this and here, 4 and 5. So the median will be the sum of those 2 divided by 2. This is equal to 4.5. So that's how you find the mean, the median, and the mode. Let's do one more example. I'm not going to go into that much detail here because I gave you that in the previous exercise. So we have a data set here. And in this case, we have 9 observations. Then we order the data from the smallest to the largest. And from here, we can find the mean. We add all these numbers. If you add these numbers, it will give you 54 divided by 9 is 6. Now here we have 2 numbers that repeat itself. This repeats 3 times, and here the 7 3 times 2. So then you have 2 modes, 6 and 7. And then finally the median, since it's an odd number of observation, we just look the one in the middle, which is the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got 4 to the right, 4 to the left, so the median will be 6. Okay, that's how you find the measures of central tendencies or measures of center. Okay.